Did you know that nearly 70% of first-time homebuyers believed at least one common myth about the home buying process? It's time to bust some of those misconceptions. When it comes to buying a home, there are a lot of misconceptions floating around out there. And today we're going to be tackling some of the most common ones. From financing to timing, we're going to separate fact from fiction and give you the real deal on what to expect when buying a home. As a home buyer, making informed decisions is crucial, and understanding the truth behind these common myths can literally save you thousands of dollars and a whole lot of stress. So buckle up and let's dive into the top myths about home buying that can mislead potential buyers. You might be thinking, what are these myths and how do I avoid falling prey to them? Well, that's exactly what we're about to find out. From debunking financing myths to understanding the real estate market, we're going to cover it all. Today, we're on a mission to set the record straight and give you the confidence you need to navigate the home buying process like a pro. You need a 20% down payment to buy a home. That's what most people think. But the truth is, there are various financing options available that can help you get into your dream home with much less. In fact, some mortgage options require as little as 3.5% down. Of course, the more you put down, the lower your monthly mortgage payment will be. But the idea that you need 20% is just a myth. And let's be real, saving up for a 20% down payment can take years, and for many of us, that's just not a realistic option. So what are your financing options? Well, there are government-backed loans like FHA loans, VA loans, and USDA loans, which all offer lower down payment options. And then there are the conventional loans, which often require a higher down payment, but can offer better interest rates. The key is to understand your financial situation and explore your options carefully. Don't let the myth of the 20% down payment hold you back from achieving your dream of homeownership. Buying a home is always better than renting. Or so they say. But is it really? The truth is, whether buying is better than renting depends on a variety of factors, including your financial situation, your lifestyle, and your long-term goals. For example, if you're planning to stay in some place for at least 5 years, buying might be a great option. But if you're just starting your career and think you might need to move to a different city soon, renting might be the way to go. It's also important to consider the costs associated with homeownership, like maintenance and property taxes, which can add up quickly. So before making a decision, take a close look at your finances and think carefully about what's best for you. The spring is the only good time to buy a home. That's what many people believe. But the truth is, the housing market is active year-round, and each season has its own advantages. In the winter, for example, there may be fewer buyers, which means less competition and potentially lower prices. In the summer, the market can be more active, but that can also mean more selection and a better chance of finding your dream home. And in the fall, you may be able to negotiate a better deal as sellers start to feel anxious to sell before the winter months. So don't let the myth of the spring buying season hold you back. With a little patience and persistence, you can find a great deal on a home any time of the year. You should always buy the biggest home you can afford. That's what many people think. But is bigger really better? The truth is, while a larger home can be nice, it's not always the most practical choice. Think about it. A bigger home means higher property taxes, higher utility bills, and more maintenance. And let's be real, do you really need all that extra space? For many of us, a smaller, more efficient home can be the better choice. So when shopping for a home, don't just focus on size. Think about your needs and your lifestyle. Do you really need a big backyard, or would a smaller yard be just fine? Real estate agents are only in it for the commission. That's what many people believe. But is it really true? The truth is, a good real estate agent can be your best ally when buying a home. They know the local market, they know the neighborhoods, and they can help you navigate the often complex process of buying a home. And yes, they do earn a commission on the sale, but that's not their only motivation. A good agent will work tirelessly to find you the perfect home, and they'll be there to guide you every step of the way. So don't be afraid to work with an agent. they can be a valuable resource in your home buying journey. So there you have it, the top myths about home buying debunked. Remember, buying a home is a big decision, and it's essential to separate fact from fiction. By understanding the truth behind these common myths, you'll be better equipped to navigate the home buying process and find your dream home. If you're like most people, you're probably feeling a lot more confident about buying a home now. And that's exactly what we're here for, to educate and empower home buyers like you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more real estate tips and advice. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you.